Hello, my name is Adriana Caterina Nicosio Romero. Today I will tell you recipe for banana cake. How I make it material. A pound of ripe banana, 400 ml of milk, a quart of white flour, a tablespoon of butter, and 8 a tablespoon of cinnamon, a cup of cheese, a baking powder, a light oil, a frying pan, a pot, and a topping. Fried coat the bananas white, plenty of water for half an hour, let 10 cool and then made a puree. Second, when it is in puree from the milk, flour, butter, egg, cinnamon, cheese, and baking powder are implement. This is done. I want stopping strain. Number 3. The pan is great and light is done so that the cow does not still burn it. At that moment, the mustard is implemented. 4. The mustard is let for 10 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the other side while medium flame. 5. A topping is inserted is done in order to count that the cut is ready. This is count when the topping comes out clean. And this is how the banana cake will be made while frying pan. Thank you so much. Goodbye.